If you are searching for a method to make some good income online, then you are in the right video. Just smash the like button and press the subscribe button, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple awesome strategy with which you could be making some good income online doing very simple thing just by utilizing your laptop. And the thing is that you don't need require any extraordinary skills to do this stuff. And the thing is that this works worldwide, all over the world, and you can work on this strategy from any country of the world. But the major problem is that most of the people never watch this videos till the end, and that's the reason why they never end up making some good money online. That's the reason why I just wanted to say you that if you are serious, then keep watching this video till the end, because this is very important. And if you miss some of the steps of the strategy, then you won't be able to make money online, and that is something which you need to understand. And to understand this, you just need to smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, and also comment down below you want to make money online and what you want to do of that money, where you want to spend it. You want to spend it or travel the world or do something like that. Just comment down below what you want to do if you make money online. And this is something which I really want to know, so that I can find out some methods that can really help you to fulfill your dreams by making money on the internet. And let's jump into the content. So guys, there are going to be only 3 simple steps which you need to take to work on this strategy. Now let's go and jump into the step 1 of the process. Okay, so the step 1 of the process is very simple and you need to understand. Okay, you just need to go to canva.com and you just need to click on this presentations. Okay, we are going to create presentations and we are going to sell those presentations, but on a particular website which is really awesome and which has absolutely very less competition. And that is something which is the best thing about this strategy and this method. This is not Fiverr or something like website or freelancing website like that. It is a complete new website which not many people are utilizing, or many people does not know about this website. And that's the reason why there is a huge chance and huge opportunity to make big money with this awesome website. Okay, so let's go to that awesome website. Okay, so you just need to go over here and you just need to go to this website that is known as templatemonster.com. Yes, templatemonster.com. And the thing is that people are selling this PowerPoint templates over here on this websites, and you can see this guy has sold over 458 templates for $21. That is insane amount of money. This guy has sold over 1000 templates for $20. That means 20 into 1000, that is $20,000. This guy is making this kind of money just by selling this PowerPoint templates on this website, and it's really awesome. You can see this is a business PowerPoint template which people are selling on this website. We are going to utilize Canva to make this simple templates. Okay, it's really simple. Yes, it will take some time to create these templates on Canva. You must have to see 2 or 3 tutorials on YouTube of how to create these templates on Canva, but you know that Canva is the easiest thing, and it is just a drag and drop system on Canva which you have to utilize to create these templates. Now let's go to Canva. So we clicked on this presentation, so you can find a ton of presentation templates which are already available on Canva. Now what you can do is that you can just you can just mix and match some of the stuff. Okay, or you can just combine 2 of the templates together, and then you can create a unique template just out of that. Okay, now all of you may be knowing how to utilize Canva and how to just create templates on Canva. Okay, it's not a rocket science. All you need to do is drag and drop and just edit the template as per your will, however you want to edit the template, and then you can download that template on your computer using Canva. And the thing is that there are a ton of tutorials regarding Canva which are available on YouTube which you can utilize. So for example, we will just select this template. Okay, it has already 27, so you can just click on this apply. So this is the first slide which is over created. So this is the first page of our template. Okay, and then in this way you just have to create a template of 25, 30, 40, 50 pages. Okay, and your template is basically ready. And what you need to do is, once you have created the template, just download the template, just go sign up for this website that is known as templatemonster.com, and start selling your templates and start earning money out of it. Okay, that is something which is really simple and really easy. And the thing is that yes, there is some competitions on this website, but the thing is that you just need to see this, what are these people doing who are having the most amount of sales. You just need to reverse engineer what this person is doing to get all this sale. Okay, understand what kind of the profile they have created and what are the things which are there in their profile which makes them stand out from the other profiles, and that is something which you need to do and you need to understand. Okay, so you can see this guy has just provided all the information and all the photographs of the template which he has already done, and you can see that that's the reason why. As well as you can see he has written this description. Now I'm not gonna say that you just need to copy this description, but you just need to rewrite this description with your own way and with your own words. And you can just do this all this stuff, and you can easily create this kind of templates easily utilizing Canva, and then you can just sell those templates on this website. And that is something which is one of the simplest thing to do. Many of the people will be able to do it. As well as if you don't want to use Canva, there is one more website which is known as Crello.com, which you can also utilize for creating this type of awesome templates, and you could be making some good income online. As well as you can see if he is providing any extra services regarding this template, then you can see he is just charging money for that. Okay, so he is probably making a good amount of money with this services which he is providing with this platform. And you can also absolutely do this and start earning some real good income online. And this is something which most of you will be able to do, because you just need to create templates, and you can find those templates on Canva and create templates really very easily on Canva. Just drag and drop the stuff, okay, and just share the template, and then that person will edit it according to his will. And that is something which is really awesome. Most of the people are not utilizing this strategy, so there is a great chance for you to start earning money with this method. And definitely, if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button and smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.